Good morning. Have you ever felt that things gone wrong, then next minute something else gone wrong, and it just becomes snowball? And also then that become next day, same thing, and the next day, and next day, next day. Have you ever felt that? So I want to talk about to fix this problem, okay? Fix this problem. So first of all, where do I start? First of all, let's talk about why this happened. Let's talk about this first. Reason why this happened is you creating the nearest future this moment in time. Depend how you're feeling right now is the result creating the future. So whatever you're feeling next 5 minutes and 10 minutes or day to day altogether, if you're feeling crap or if everything going wrong in a pear shape, that means that is the result of how are you feeling in the beforehand. Yeah. So if you wanted to create better future, feeling happy, feeling fulfilled, feeling satisfied, feeling joyful, you have to feeling joyful right now. If you're being in the autopilot of how you're feeling in a pain body or pain emotion, body as in physical body or emotional body, or you're going to create the same thing is next minute, next hour, next day, next year altogether. So you got to consciously changing that, like kind of almost like momentum, changing that. So I want you to be try to practice to be really conscious how you're feeling right now, because this is the feeling right now is creating the next moment, right? So, but this is heaps easier to say, just say it, than actually it's make it happen, because you are already in a loop of vicious cycle. Like say, for example, I'll give you my example. So I've been having, you already know this, I've been talking about this one many times last few months or so. So I've been going through difficult time with Tiana as a teenage. And so something happened yesterday, and that's created me, those inner child started to really evoking and it started to really hurt, right? Hurt as mom, my inner child hurt again. So that not feeling good, right? And then, so if you're not feeling good, that maybe yesterday afternoon started everything going just not right. Just everything is just not right. And this morning come, and then I woke up fresh. So started off very good, but something happened again with Tiana. Then that started to snowball again. Yeah. But I had the commitment of particular meditation I needed to take. And I really noticed that of those time delay or time reaction. So I did a meditation this morning, even though Tiana rocked me a little bit, because I was already creating really good feeling from the first thing in the morning. That Tiana's situation didn't rock me completely. Yeah. So I felt okay. It's not bad. It's okay. Just okay. They went to gym and I decided to do another meditation. I committed to do that. And then funny enough, every time I get onto the meditation, I needed the internet it get cut off. I tried to find a perfect spot to do meditation. I went to a particular spot I really wanted to call to do. I didn't get the internet there. So I have to turn around, come back, drive back towards my home, and this is a good spot. I stopped. Didn't realize so much traffic. So halfway through the meditation, I had to stop again. I had to go into another spot. Now I'm at the beach. Then that moment I realized that, and I thought, how come I'm feeling not that bad? How come this is happening? Because result of previous feeling. Could be from day before, could be from this morning for the little quick snap. So those things delay effect. So what you need to try to do is you recognize that, okay, this is just happening delay, like a little tiny delay bit. So don't get pulled into that again to create another moment to do negative, right? Or like a heavy feeling. So you're just going back to, okay, this is just happening delay situation, just residual of that dirty energy coming out. I just needed to keep on top of it, get rid of those dirty water so I can come back to clean and a nice energy, right? So I didn't get affected by this situation hopping around. Took me a long time to get to this spot and actually done the meditation. And then, so meditation is help you to do actually reset. So those delay things happening, the residual is coming by doing the meditation. And I told you, simplest, most easiest meditation. Please don't get freak out and stop this video now because I use the words meditation, because I show you how to super simple one. Once you do the meditation, what happening that like the moment, maybe, I don't know, depending on how long you do the meditation for, that moment is everything is stop, right? That moment feel stop and it feel good and it feel maybe not really feeling good yet. It's depending on the how long you're doing training meditation for, and maybe you're beginners or you just started it, and all that lot of that element is get into it. But even just stop that moment and then stop thinking whatever causing the trouble, even that moment still get rid of all the yucky thing, but you're not constantly pouring into it. Does it make sense? So almost like you have the container and got a hole in it, and you wanted to release those yucky water, and instead of pouring in dirty water, which is negative thought, negative idea, negative chit chat, is negative energy, feeling yucky, feeling frustrated, feeling angry, you by doing meditation kind of stop that. Yeah, stop that moment. Almost like a non-feeling, non-thinking, non-nothing situation. So that means this container constantly emptying out, then nothing coming in. So by the time you finish the meditation, you reset it, right? So that moment you consciously choose to feel, all right, now I can really focus on to good thing. Could be gratitude, could be just being this moment, could be just enjoying the weather, not so much in here, but you know what I mean. Could be eating beautiful cake with a full attention to it. Whatever it is, make you feel like lift a little bit. By doing so, that moment, creating next moment, then next moment, and then now new momentum started. So use the meditation as a reset time. Here it is. Here's how you're going to do very simple meditation. If you are very brand new to the meditation, I want you to start doing this. There is a lot of meditation in my group. I am not active in my group anymore. There is a lot of reason to it, but I'm not getting to that. But if you want to learn the meditation, go into my group, the Ignite Inner Potential, and then igniting the potential. I think that's what sometimes I don't. It's Ignite. It's called Ignite. Going into the group and going to the guided section and find all those meditations. Okay, then you just use that guided meditation. That's probably simplest, easiest way to do it. And the next easiest way is when you're feeling like crappy, when you're feeling annoyed, just imagine, like, when you're going to, when you wanted to go to the toilet, you don't want to stop yourself to, oh my God, I want to go to the toilet. I want to go to the toilet all day. Some people maybe do because you don't want to go public toilet or school toilet. But, you just needed to go, let go sometime, right? So same thing. Don't hold on to those yucky, annoyed, stressed energy. Just stop. Just like going to the toilet, or when you're going to the toilet, just stop a moment. Close your eyes, right? And then breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. You just say that in your mind. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. When you're saying that, I want you to try now. Try it. Breathe in, breathe out. You don't have to close your eye if you don't want to. You can just stay one spot. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. When you are saying breathe in, breathe out, did you think some negative thought? Did I think about Tiana annoyed the shit out of me? No, I didn't. I just couldn't. You can't. While you're saying, focusing, saying, and then thinking different things, it's just impossible to do that. So that's the moment you reset it. Right? Yeah. So you don't have to do this long. Maybe you can promise yourself to do 10 times. Promise yourself to do 1 minute. Promise yourself to do while you're doing whatever, however you work. So you can do that every time going to the toilet, for example, and then reset. Another way is I like doing this. Peace begins with me. That's Gabby Bernstein's practice. Peace begin with me. This is great because you feel the sensation on the finger and also you saying it. Again, cut the vicious cycle of the thinking negative thing. If you are already doing the regular meditation using Insight Timer, I love Insight Timer. I haven't been using for a while. Insight Timer, YouTube, whatever it is, or my guided meditation, whatever it is. Next stage you can do is you can just do without guided and just listen to the sounds and then more connected to who you are, who your power is. When you started doing that, your body become more intuitive. When you start living intuitively, your life becomes so much easier. So it's more flow, more ease. That's what's going to happen. And then when you're having the difficult time, you can observe yourself instead of in it, right? So it's someone already been practicing meditation. I want you to meditate differently from now on. So that's it from me. I want you to remember you must cut the cord or cut the rope intentionally and also consciously. Otherwise, you are constantly in a loop. So on the top of that rope and trying to push down the gratitude and all the affirmation, it's just not gonna work. Don't waste your time doing that. Just cut the remember always have some sort of residual, once you needed to slow down the momentum first. So started to new momentum of positivities and all that sort of thing. Does it make sense? So that's it from me. Thank you for watching. And then if you have any question, let me know in a comment or give me the DM. That's it. See you later. Have a good week. Bye.